Take 3.
Handful of clecks in my pocket, sewn in a parking lot. My girlfriend's Jewish, and yours is not. A portrait of the artist, taking off his clothes, giving his thoughts on missionary missions and doing lots of blow. Everybody wants to fuck your sister, nobody wants to hold your hand. If you treat them splendidly, then you've got yourself a brand new man. Oh, what's best for acing this test? I gotta get up early in the morning, not studying, not choking, hazard, not doing something really boring. Gotta bow before I'm down for the count, or I'll be somebody's mental mount. 21 dead, all shot in the head, the old man still snoring. I gotta bail for the signal meld, I don't wanna die, just wanna get held by a beautiful girl in a non-broken world. I don't wanna think about it, I'm gonna fucking hurl. I gotta bail before the signal meld, I don't wanna die, just wanna get held by a beautiful girl in a non-broken world. I don't wanna think about it, I'm gonna fucking hurl. I gotta bail for the signal meld, I don't wanna die, just wanna get held by a beautiful girl in a non-broken world. I don't wanna think about it, I'm gonna fucking hurl. I gotta bail for the signal meld, I don't wanna die, just wanna get held by a beautiful girl in a non-broken world. I don't wanna think about it, I'm gonna fucking hurl. Handful of clecks in my pocket, sewn in a parking lot. My girlfriend's Jewish, and yours is not.
Not.
Her friends call her Nick Jr., her lover calls her Sponge. Will you get to know her? Will you take the plunge?
Tell all your secrets to me. I'll put them underneath the Christmas tree. Find the load-bearing wall. Find out who's behind it. Make sure the damn thing falls. Take a look at the finer things around. Enjoy it all before you're back in town. I knew you'd come back someday. I just didn't know that day would be today. My bones are frozen solid and my teeth hurt like hell. The snow is falling faster than the weatherman could tell. From the forest by the granary does an awful thing emerge. Black as tar and viscous, we cannot hear its words. Enveloping the village, my bright and shining stars. Look to the cellar window, it is coming through the bars. If you can hear anything, please raise your hand up high. If you can hear me speaking, no, I'm far too young to die. There's something in my ears and it's climbing to my mouth. They're saying on the radio it's so much worse down south. The unrelenting ringing that is sounding through my ears is not as bad as I thought it would be after the first few years. The radiation in my spine is getting worse by the day. The uranium in my brain is getting in the way. Every single nerve end is singing its own song. Hopefully this is a short one. I hope that I'm not wrong. You'll be the queen of rock, remembered only by those who forgot. Cursed to roam these rotted lands, to only make ill omens with your sweated, dirty hands. Poison, my dear, flips all with fear. Disciples of madmen, worshippers insane, forced to roll this boulder, walk this rotted, never-ending plane. Picture on the wall of a house I've never been to, something I've never been to, something around You've got the power of God right there in your bones. You've got a weed-filled garden back there at your home. Mushrooms and decomposers take over the doorstep. It won't be long till they're infesting your loose-lipped husbands and inbreed. One I should castrate. shaking in my hand. What's that you think you understand? You really think you understand? You really think you understand?
You could save yourself or save your soul. Maybe try to do something in between. But I confess I don't know the rest of what these cryptic symbols mean. So won't you leave my boat in the dock and we'll enter the tower hand in hand. Even if we don't make it in one piece, I have but one more demand. Won't you kiss me, dear, right on the